Hey traders, hope you're enjoying your weekend. I know I don't normally make videos on Saturdays, but I got some messages from traders that they want me to do analysis on indices and crypto market as well. As you know, crypto market never sleeps. So starting first with indices, which is US30, then we're going to go through UK100, then we have Nasdaq100, then we have Japan index, which is JP225, and then we're going to look at the crypto markets, which is Solana, as we are getting some nice conditions, and then we have Bitcoin, and then we have Ethereum. So starting with US30. So I'm going to go through it very quickly. Now, for my major entries, for my aggressive entries, I do have a zone below, which is right here, and I'll wait with patience till the price come down in this zone, which is 36,558. That goes up to 37,225. Now, if you want to look at short-term trades, all I want to see, we are still in a strong uptrend. As you can see, we are above 50 EMA on 4-hour and on 1-hour time frame as well. So right here, as you can see, we have this bullish engulfing candle, and this was mentioned in my last update, and from here the price pushed up. That was good for a quick scalp. So all I want to see, continuation towards the upside. Once we are broken above this high, I'm going to start to look for another pullback and bullish engulfers and keep on taking long. So looking at the conditions, looking at this bullish engulfer, I'm still expecting a price to push up at least till this recent high, from where we're going to look for the break above and carry on to take buy trades. So not selling as long as we're above 50 and 20 EMA on both daily and 4-hour time frame. First, let me show you that what I've said in my last update, where we had an entry condition right here. For now, we have a bullish engulfer that happens above 50 EMA, and with that, I'm expecting a price to give us some bounce from it, then possible push lower, which I've mentioned in my video, and that is how we enter the trade with conditions only, and that massively pushed up from here. As you can see, we have kept the stop loss below the wick and take profit here, and that was a massive push up here in indices. That was good amount of money if you have entered with the condition, and that with that we also had a cross. If you are my student, you know what strategy is that right here. Now prices at the anchor level, which is the minor level of support right here, as you can see the number in blue. So we have a bearish engulfer as well, and we have a push down because of that. Now as long as we are above this anchor level, we are not selling. So all we can expect a push down to this level. If we have a bullish engulfer or a pin bar or 382 candles like this, we can expect one more bounce. If the bounce is strong enough and breaks above 50 and 20 EMA, then we have a signal that price now wants to push up and continue to push in a trend. But I'll be personally waiting for my level below, which is the major level of support, from where I'll be looking to buy aggressively, which is 7,903. That goes to 8,004, a level from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades. For now, all I'm waiting for a buy condition here or a break above this high to start to look for my pullback buying entries only. Nasdaq100. Now, as you can see, I've mentioned this in my last video that we can get a possible bounce out of this anchor level. And let me show you what I've said in my last video. Exactly same as S&P 500. If we have a price to retest this level and forms a bullish engulfer, there will be a likely chance the price will push up from here. So bullish engulfer at the zone or above 50 EM is very important to look for your buy signal. Nice one. So as you can see from this anchor level, we had a nice bounce, and what we can expect at this point. I'm still waiting till the price break out of this little range, these two anchor levels. What I'm waiting for the price to break above. Once we are broken above, then we have a confirmation that price now wants to use this anchor, the previous high. We have a bullish engulfer. Remember, entry conditions are really important, and as we are not trading blindly. So bullish engulfer will be a confirmation that buyers are now in control, and we're going to go long and keep on taking longs as long as price makes higher highs and give us a reason to enter after a pullback. So that's what I'll be looking at. Wait for the price to break above. For now, expect some range in this box. Once this range is broken, either above or either below, if we are broken below this low, then we are looking at this level below, from where I'll be looking to enter another buy trades. For now, let's see how it goes. We are above 50 and 20 EMA, still bullish, and so we can still expect a push up at least till this recent high. Next up, we have JP225. Now, if you have seen my last video, I've said that first we need to see a break out of this consolidation. So we have a breakout of this consolidation. Now, this could be a fake out. That's why very important. We want to see few more candles, let's say 2 to 3 candles. Once we have that, after a retest, we are good to go for long trade for the buy if you have a bullish engulfer. Now, this itself is an entry right here, the break, and that is also a 382 candle or a pin bar. But that would be a very risky and aggressive entry. In that case, I'll keep my stop loss below the EMAs and take profit to the resistance level above, which is right here, a major level, which is 40,000. That goes to 40,553, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trades with conditions like bearish golfers or double top entry pattern. So expect a price to push up as we are now broken above this little range, and that is a signal the price will likely hit this level above. Let's look at the crypto market. First, look at Solana. Now, as you can see, price nicely pushed up from my zone, which I've marked right here. That was nice zone, reacted nicely, and now we are pushing above. Now, at this point, if you are a future trader, if this candle closed as a bullish engulfer, that will be a signal, and the price will now push up from here. Now that could be a change of trend. As you can see, the price was recently trading below 50 and 20 EMA, and that was in a nice downtrend, and after a while that breaks above 50 EMA after a nice bounce from the support area. So if this turns to be a bullish engulfer, we have a good chance to take a trade here and exit right here at the recent high. Then if you are broken above with a pullback, if you have another condition, I'm going to go long from here. So that could be a start of a new trend, and if close at the bullish engulfer, that will be another buying opportunity. Ethereum here. Now let me show you what I've said in my last video so that you can understand conditions and entries. Exactly the same. We have a zone below, which is 31,094, that goes to 33,018, and we have a zone above, resistance 38,053, that goes to 4,063. These are the two areas I'll be looking at for possible bounce, push up. Nice one. So as you can see, after this bullish pattern right here, price nicely pushed up. That was good for a little scalp. Now all I'm looking at a double bottom, a possible double bottom from the same area, which is right here. So if the price comes back to this area without a candle to close below the first bottom, if the price come down, forms a bullish candle, engulfers, pin bars or 382 candle, then I'll keep my stop loss here and I'll go 1.4 to 1 for my risk to reward ratio. You can also go 1 to 1 for your initial target. So that's why I'll be looking at wait with patience, as we are now below 50 EMA, and that could be a possible formation of double bottom. As you can see, a nice divergence in the RSI as well. If you have a double bottom with divergence, that would be a strong signal of reversals. Now here on Bitcoin, exactly the same. I'm going to mark my rejection box exactly like I did on Ethereum, something like this, and I'll be looking for a possible double bottom. Very important to see a bullish signal like bullish engulfers, pin bar or 382 candle. If you have that, that will be a signal the price will now wants to push up and likely to reverse from here. So I'll keep an eye. That is a possible likely setup of double bottom. If we have that, we are good to go long, as it is a major level of support where the price is currently inside of. So that's it for crypto and indices market. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new so we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you do it green. To see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.